holiday today, and this is not even a weekend. I'm actually working today. That's what remote work does for me.
Most of my mornings start with a quick run on the beach. Hey, I'm Arnab from Vizag, India. I'm an experienced machine learning engineer. I started my career as a data scientist in a multinational organization. After working there for a couple of years, I realized that most aspects of the corporate lifestyle weren't a good fit for me. One thing I despised the most was dressing up for the job daily. Although I was gaining a fair amount of knowledge, it wasn't sufficient for me. The kind of projects I was working on started getting repetitive, and it felt like I stunted my career growth at the starting point of my career. The world of data science keeps on evolving, and I wanted to contribute more to this tech revolution. Right around this time, I almost scrolled past one of Turing's Facebook ads, but luckily it got my attention and I signed up for the test. I did my research about their tests and I knew I had to bring up my A game. So I brushed up my skills and took the test. I had to pass all their tests related to data science and machine learning stack. When I completed the whole vetting process, I got an offer from Turing. And look, now I'm working from my home in comfy clothes. I can never imagine myself going back to dressing up for work. The changes Turing brought to my life are really amazing. I had this misconception that remote work only means freelancing. But with Turing, I realized that I can achieve both remote work flexibility and long-term opportunity. I'm working with Kaggle Grandmasters and ex-engineers from Facebook and Quora, and it constantly motivates me to up my learnings to stay on top of the latest happenings in the machine learning world. All in all, I'm extremely happy that I took a chance with Turing, and they provided me with the greatest possible opportunity I could ever imagine. Taking the call to appear for their tests was really the turning point of my career. If you also want to take charge of your career and spearhead your financial and professional growth, sign up and go boundaryless with Turing.